Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verification code not sent in on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you search about Reddit and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. We search about Reddit and we click. If you find updates, then we'll update your app, so please don't forget